Today I would like to show you how to prepare a very tasty and healthy drink based on a tangerine, rose and grapefruit infusion by Dilmah. First of all, we have to start from our cold brew infusion, which we have to set in advance as it takes more or less 8 to 12 hours. We have to place 5 bags of infusion for 500 milliliters of water. Then we place it in the fridge for more or less 8 to 10 hours. And now we start preparing our cocktail. To begin with, let's cut our grapefruit for thin slices, which we put directly in a glass. Then we add a little bit of agave sugar, up to taste, juice from half of the lime. We add ice and we top it with our cold brew. Before trying, let's give it a gentle stir. At the end, we garnish it with rosemary. Cheers!